Hello, everyone. Today I visited an apartment where the client needed to change some functions in the room, their living room. First, they wanted to expand the space and make full use of the balcony. Second, they wanted to add an area for their children to study. And third, to arrange the dining table in a different spot. So after studying the floor plan, I came up with the following solution. First, we will need to demolish some of the walls in this apartment. There are two particularly noteworthy walls in the apartment, and these will cause the space inside the home to become conflicted. Here, this is the first wall. It's the spot where the shoe cabinet is, right at the entrance of the apartment. And the second spot is exactly where the wall behind the sofa is. Oh dear. Unfortunately, my eraser pen is having a bit of an issue right now. So I'll use the eraser pen, which means those walls, I will demolish them. So what I'll do is remove those walls, demolish, and get rid of them. Fix the old shoe cabinet, tear down that wall, fix the old pillar shoe cabinet. There. Exactly. And that area will be arranged to have a dishwasher. Next will be a study area for the kids. For the study area, I'll make some very wide bench seats and place a desk here. This desk can be oriented either facing in or out, depending on preference. This is the outward facing direction, but we can also set it up the other way, meaning the bookshelf and the desk are on the inside, and the bench is on the outside. Next, let's address the kitchen area. As for the dining table, we'll place a dining table right here. There, the dining table goes here. For this house, arranging a 6-seat dining table here is very suitable. As for the armchair, we'll move it elsewhere. And when we expand the living room like this, it's really great. The good thing is that we'll move all the systems, the so-called move the dishwasher further out and install a door here. We'll have 2 sets of doors and one sliding door inside and another sliding door outside. On the inside, we'll arrange an additional storage cabinet, a remaining pantry cabinet. So, like this, it's already quite complete. And now this is the version after the adjustments. Wow. So, this is the revised version after adjusting the layout. Here, this is the study area. And here, this is the dining area. The space feels much more open and spacious. That's the shoe cabinet right there. Yes, the shoe cabinet. Very spacious and comfortable. The space feels much more airy and there's a lot less conflict in the layout. Let's take a look together. We now have a beautiful 6-seat dining table and an additional lovely kitchen island. See, do you notice the shoe cabinet next to it? In the far corner, over there, there's also a cute little dishwasher. And here is the study area for the kids. It's very charming. Right behind the sofa, and the space is just perfect